This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm. During periods of potentially severe weather, special receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The tone alert will be activated for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties: in Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Pulaski, and Fulton, and in Michigan, Berrien, Cass, and St. Joseph. For more information, see our webpage at www.weather.gov/IWX and click on Weather Radio. We now return to normal programming. Here are the 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time weather conditions. At South Bend, skies were cloudy. The temperature was 67 degrees. The dew point was 64, and the relative humidity was 90%.
As for South Bend and vicinity.
Yeah, see, I went back to normal.
Today, cloudy. Chance of showers in the morning, then chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-70s.